Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 3, 2025 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong December 3, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, December 3, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 3, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, December 3, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of December 3, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.